Ay sir, pareho lang ba ang multipurpose loan at salary loan ni Pag-ibig? Well, Sir Kenneth, thank you for asking this question. Maganda po yung question ninyo sa channel natin. Sige po, ito yung sagot sa tanong ninyo. So Sir Kenneth, ang multipurpose loan at salary loan ni Pag-ibig ay pareho lang po. Kasi po ang multipurpose loan, ang example niyan is salary loan, calamity loan, at educational loan. Kagaya din ng housing loan ni Pag-ibig, ang example ng housing loan ni Pag-ibig ay yung purchase of residential unit, purchase of residential lot or lot purchase, house construction, home improvement, and the like. Ayan po. Kasi ang objective ni Pag-ibig Fund sa mga members nito ay savings po, at the same time yung mga loans like multipurpose loan and housing loan po. Alright, so kung interested kayo na mag-loan sa Pag-ibig or mag-save, kasi meron din silang MP2, visit agad sa Pag-ibig Fund. So marami pong branches si Pag-ibig Fund nationwide. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.